Hello everyone, I'm Young First. Welcome to my channel. This is a series about a self-mock technical interview. So today we will solve the daily problem in LeetCode together. So let's start. So it's 448. This problem is an easy problem, so I think we should resolve this within 10 minutes within a real interview. So let's start. Good luck. So let's read the description. Find all numbers disappeared in an array. Given an array nums of n integers, where nums is the range 1 to n, return an array of all the integers in range that do not appear in nums. So it's straightforward. So for example, in this array, is the length of the nums is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. So the integers inside the nums is from 1 to 8. But you can see there is some duplicate one. So some integers may not appear in nums. For example, the 5 and 6. Do it without the follow-up is do it without extra space. Okay, so I think the solution is very simple and straightforward. We can without concerning the follow-up, we can use a set to record which numbers is in nums, and we iterate every integer from 1 to n and check that whether or not it appears in the set. So the time complexity is O(n) because we need to construct a set from the nums, and we need to iterate the 1 to n. It's n plus n, so it's still n, and the space is O(n) also because we need a set to record whether or not the integers appears in nums. So there is extra space. So we had better to think about how to optimize the space. In fact, we can because the return list and the arguments list don't count as extra space, so we can use the index to record whether or not integers appears in nums. For example, this one represents whether or not the 1 appears in the nums, and this one appears present to 2. Because the nums is from 1 to n, so we can use a negative value to present whether or not this index appears in nums. So let's do that. So this solution is big O(n) time complexity and big O(1) extra space because we only use the orange nums. So let's do that. Okay, we need to for loop. For example, if we need to be equal to negative so we make the value become negative to present that the I appeared in nums. So let's construct the return list. We need to iterate I from 0 to n. And if nums if it's negative, so it appears, and if it's positive, we need to push this index to our answer. So let's return answer. So I think that's all. This is very simple. First, we iterate the nums and use the nums itself to present every integers appear or disappear, and then we for loop the range and check the mark is negative or positive. So that's all. I think I can do it. Okay, so let's do that. Hopes. Okay. So this step is wrong. We need to mark the index is nums I, and this one is the index vector. And here, because it's maybe negative, so we need to absolute. Here, let's run it again. Oh, I accept. Let's run all exams. Okay, let's try some empty. It can't be empty, so just one. So let's submit our solution. Yes, with success. It's very simple, and I did this in 3 years ago. It's a long time ago, and as I used JavaScript then, and I translate my main language to Python now. So I think this problem is very easy, and there isn't a very thing to talk. So let's see you tomorrow. Bye bye.